everyone kindly stand and may I request you to lead us in a word of prayer? Come here in front. Okay, thank you, Mas. Good afternoon, class. So before you take your seat, let's have first an energizer. Do you know the song I'm Alive, Alert, Awake, Enthusiastic? Okay, instead of saying the word enthusiastic, we're going to replace it with the word home economics. Is that clear, class? Okay, it goes like this. I'm alive, alert, awake, home economics. I'm alive, alert, awake, home economics. I'm alive, alert, awake, alert, alive, alert, awake, home economics. Okay, then kindly pick up all the pieces of paper under your chair and arrange it properly. Class secretary, is there any absentee today? Okay, very good, perfect attendance. So, last meeting I gave you an assignment, right? Okay, kindly pass it forward. So, before we formally proceed to our lesson for today, let's have remember the past. What was our previous topic all about? Okay, it's all about the mocktails. So, can anyone share what they have learned about the mocktails? Okay, thank you, Miss. You may now take your seat. Before we completely discover about our today's topic, we will be having a game. This game called Pop Me. So to understand it more, pay attention to me or else you will lose the game. So everyone must participate in this game, and when the music plays, the pen will be passed to your classmates. So when the music stops, the one who is holding the pen, we're going to pick a balloon, then you will pop it, and then you will answer a given question. So, is that clear, class? So, is the mechanics of our game clear, class? Okay, so let's proceed to our game. And then, well done, class. Thank you for your active participation. So, did you enjoy our game? Okay, thank you. So, in our short game, what have you noticed while doing it? Okay, that's nice. So, those questions have something to do with our lesson for today.
So, our topic for today is all about the combining of variety of ingredients such as fruits, vegetables, liquids, and some other yogurts and or other additives into a blended drinkable confection that is both nutritious and flavorful. We are going to talk about the smoothies. But before we proceed to our discussion, allow me to share the objectives that you need to attain at the end of the lesson. Everybody kindly read. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to thank you for reading. I am expecting all of you to obtain these objectives in the end of our lesson. Okay, class, let us now begin to our lesson with an activity. I will group you into 3 groups. Since we already have 3 majors, that will be your groups. So, group 1 would be the electronics, second group would be the automotive, and third group would be the FSM. You may now proceed to your SIM major. So, the name of our activity is entitled, Arrange Me to Make a Smoothies. So, I've prepared a puzzled picture for the 3 majors. You must complete it or arrange it and present it in front of what is the picture that you have arranged. You will be guided by the following rubrics that will be posted. So, category, we have accuracy, which has 5 points if the information clearly relates to the topic, information, and add new concept. And 3 points for good if the information clearly relates to the topic, adds one supporting detail. And fair for 1 point if the group does provide one information about the topic. So, for our next category, which is the presentation, you will be given 5 points if the output has a clear view of the concept, and if it is presented in a concise and cohesive manner. 3 points are good if the output has a clear view of the concept and presented very well. And fair for 1 point if the output has some sort of unclear concept and was presented just enough. Then third one is the collaboration. So again, excellent, 5 points if everyone actively shares knowledge. Good for 3 points if everyone shares knowledge with some prompting. Then fair for 1 point if everyone contributes but the teamwork is imbalanced. So next one is your time management. 5 points or excellent if the group finished on the given time. 3 points for good if the group took a long time to make it. And fair for 1 point if the group unfinished and took a very long time. One representative of each major will present their work. Is that clear, class? I will give you 3 minutes to do the task, and please prepare a 1/4 sheet of paper that includes the name of the group members, so that while you are presenting, I will be able to grade you. Is the instructions of our activity clear? Okay, you may now proceed to your respective groups. After you finish the given task, just clap your hands. And is that understood, class? Okay, very good. All the groups finish on time. Okay, electronics will present first, followed by the automotive, and lastly is the FSM. Okay, thank you for your presentation. Let's give them a frog clap. Do you know what is frog clap? Okay. First, kokak, 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 kokak. Okay, very good. So next is the automotive group. Thank you very much, automotive students. Very well said. So let's give them the magaling mahusay clap. Magaling. Mahusay. Yes, yes, yes. So now let us proceed to the FSM group, the last but not the least, presenters. You may now proceed in front. Nice presentation. So let us give them the winner clap. Do you know how to do the winner clap? Okay, just follow my lead. Winner! Okay, thank you, group. So, congratulations to all of you. It seems that you really do your best. So, now class, let's continue our lesson. Which among you loves to drink smoothies or are familiar with it? Anyone? Please raise your hands if you have an idea about our topic. Can you tell me what kind of smoothies you drink and describe what it tastes like? Thank you for those answers. It seems like you are very much familiar about our today's topic. So, let us first know what is smoothies. Kindly read the first slide of our presentation. Thank you for reading. So, class, smoothies is one of the beverages that can afford by everyone. It is easy to do and healthy. We can blend pure vegetables, pure fruits, or both of it. But is there any benefits of drinking smoothies? Please read the packed with nutrients of smoothies. Very good. So class, smoothies are not just a simple drinks, but it also have a good effects on human body. It is a great source of antioxidants, which means antioxidants are compounds that have the potential to shield your body cells from free radicals, which could contribute to conditions like heart diseases, cancers, and other sickness. Is that clear, class? Okay, let's now move on to our next slide. Who wants to read? Exactly, especially for those who wants to achieve their want weight and body shapes. Smoothies can be substitute for healthy and heavy meals, and also can help to control the fats that we take in our body. Is that clear, class? Okay, another benefit and importance of smoothies is, will you please read and share your knowledge through it? Thank you, very good. You have a good point. So, smoothies contributes to the body cleansing due to their fiber content. They act as a filter in the stomach, aiding in the removal of impurities and reducing toxins to our body. Again, class, what are the benefits and importance of a smoothies? Exactly. I hope that you truly understand it more. Okay, class, let's proceed to the different types and categories of smoothies. Will you please read the first type and category of a smoothie? Thank you for reading. Okay, class, so when we say fruit smoothies, it obviously the main ingredients is fruit. And because of its natural sweetness, it adds on the natural fruity flavor. So, who can give me an example of fruit that can be used as a main ingredients in making a smoothie? Okay, very good. Is that clear, class? So, next is the green smoothies. Who wants to read the definition of it? Thank you, and thank you for reading. It is, in these smoothies, vegetables are the main important ingredient of it. And because of the green color, it typically gives the smoothie a greener natural color. One example of it is spinach, broccoli, and cucumber, and other leafy green vegetables. Is that clear, class? Can I still be followed? Okay, if so, let's continue our discussion. Kindly read the next slide. Okay, thank you for reading. Super nutritious or healthy smoothie is designed to provide all your daily essential vitamins and nutrients naturally, aiming to replace the need for food supplements. Someone might ask, isn't the other smoothies healthy? Yes, of course, all of the smoothies are very much healthy because we use the natural or pure fruits and vegetables. But in this case, we add protein powder to make it more healthier than our usual smoothies. So let us also not forget that the creation of smoothies is depend upon on your preferences, on how you want to make it. For example, I want to drink a mango shake, but I want to add some protein powder for me to get full easily and not get angry all the time. Is that clear, class? Okay, let's proceed to our last example or last category of a smoothie. Will you please read? Thank you for clear reading. So, class, dessert smoothies are like sweet drinks that you can drink. They can usually have sugary stuffs like ice cream or syrups added into them. Some recipes use dairy or extra sugar to make them taste like a dessert or almost like a milkshake. Is that clear, class? Okay, very good. Again, class, what are the four types of smoothies? Okay, very good. It seems that you truly understand our discussion. But what are the other ingredients that can be used to make a smoothies? Is that also important? Okay, if it is also important, what do you think are the ingredients that we need to create a smoothies? Okay, you have a very clear and good point. So, what who wants to read what is in the presentation presented? Okay, so thank you for reading. So, after learning about the smoothies, their benefits, their importance, the various types and categories of smoothies, and what are the ingredients needed to create them, let us now proceed to demonstration on how are we going to make a smoothies using a basic tools. Is that clear, class? Okay. Do you understand what have I discussed in our class today? Do you have any questions and or clarifications? If not, thank you for listening and I hope that you've learned something from me. And here is a short video presentation about on how to make a mango smoothies.
Since everyone understands the topic for today, I will group you into three. The first group will be automotive, the second group will be FSM, and the last group is the electronics. Here is the instruction. Let's listen very carefully. The group we're going to make a mango smoothie will be each group. Then you should provide ingredients to do task. The group who has the unique garnish will be announced as the winner. The group we're going to follow this instruction is to make mango smoothies. First, prepare all the ingredients like fruits, liquids such as yogurt, juice, or milk, and ice cubes. It is optional for a colder and thicker texture. Second, prepare the essential tools like blender, knife, chopping board, measuring cups, and tall glass and straw. So here are you should have an ingredients to make a mango smoothies. So we should have a 1 cup diced mango, it should be 150 grams, 1/2 cup plain or vanilla yogurt, it is 120 grams, 1/2 cup milk, 120 ml. Then the procedures are put the sliced mango first, followed by the yogurt, then milk. Second, combine it all in a blender, then blend it until smooth. Is that clear, class? So here are the rubrics. Thank you for your participation. I am very happy that all of you really learned something now. We conducted an activity earlier, and it shows that you really understand the lesson. However, I still want to know if everyone was attentive to the discussion from the very beginning to the end. Give the 3 benefits of smoothies and the importance of this in our health and well-being. Everyone in the class, kindly raise your hands, please. Yes, mister. It seems that you already learned our topic for today. Kindly get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer the questions in the presentation. Write only the correct answer. So, are you ready, class? Number 1. typically contain added sugar or fat in the form of ice cream or syrups. Typically contain added sugar or fat in the form of ice cream or syrups. Number 2, smoothies can be made with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich ingredients. Them a great source of vitamins, minerals, and of course, a great source of antioxidants. Again, number 2, smoothies can be made with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich ingredients, making them a great source of vitamins, minerals, and of course, a great source of antioxidants. Number 3, a thick blended beverage with shake-like consistency, normally poured in a blender, containing fruits and vegetables, as well as an added liquid such as fruit juice, vegetable juice, milk, or even yogurt. Again, number 3, a thick blended beverage with shake-like consistency, normally poured in a blender, containing fruits and vegetables, as well as an added liquid such as fruit, vegetable juice, milk, or even yogurt. Number 4, a smoothie made from fruits specifically for their sweet flavor. A smoothie made from fruits specifically for their sweet flavor. Number 5, as a meal replacement. They can help you feel full and satisfied and eliminate food cravings, making it easier to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. As a meal replacement, they can help you feel full and satisfied and eliminate food cravings, making it easier to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. So, are you ready, class? Are you done, class, for answering? So, kindly exchange your paper to your seatmate. So, number 1, the answer is dessert smoothies. Number 2, packed with nutrients. Number 3, smoothies. Number 4, fruit smoothies. And number 5, support weight management. Who got correct answer? Okay, very good. So, for your assignment, on a short bond paper, write 2 smoothies recipes with a description of why you choose each and one and create your own title. So, I will repeat the assignment. On a short bond paper, write 2 smoothies recipes with a description of why you choose each one and create your own title. Did you get it, class? So, okay. That ends for our lesson for today. Kindly stand, class. Praise be Jesus Christ. Now, forever. Amen. Goodbye, class. So, see you next meeting. Goodbye, class.